In this enterprise test data tutorial, we're going to look at how we can use data discovery to track database changes so that we can understand and identify data changes over time. We're inside the enterprise test data portal and we're in our data dictionary view, which gives you an overview of all the data in your organization. Now we have a particular database here for our banking application. And what you'll see is that we have 4 scans that have taken place here. And we'll see as part of those 4 scans how the data has evolved over time. We started with 14 tables, 91 columns. We now have 15 tables and 112 columns. This can be done on a routine basis, or it could be manually triggered to run a scan to look at the database and see if it's changed and what new pieces have been added. Now, over time, you will take snapshots of your data, which are definitions, which represent a point in time. And as part of those definitions, you can come out and you can start to do comparisons between them. So we're going to look at what changed between version 4, version 3, and version 4 of our database. And what we'll see is that we had 9 additions and we had 1 change that was made. We can come in and we can see the tables that have been added and the columns. And also we can look at the changes that have occurred here. So we'll see from version 3 to version 4, a new column was added, last service stat, which was a timestamp which didn't previously exist in our database. So this is potentially a table or column that we want to take a look at and potentially perform some data generation against. So this is a great way to understand your data changes, how they impact, and also being able to react to them in your test data process. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to learn more, visit curiositysoftware.ie.